Whenever you're cleaning your face and you want to have a different towel specifically for your face for whatever reason or other parts of your body, and you don't want to utilize the towel that you use to dry your whole body, I found these options here that they are double-sided, so that way you know which color you utilized. They come several of them. This is how they look when they arrive, just flat like that. You can utilize it to dry your skin. They are very effective. You can just pat your skin, and little pats like this will completely dry your skin. And after you wash them, you can just throw them like that. I've utilized this ones. I just didn't want to keep using towels that I have to throw away or utilize these towels. So these ones, I just use them, put them in a little hamper, and then wash them out, and you have clean towels to dry your face after your skincare every day, so every morning, whenever you want to use them, and they're very effective. So I highly recommend having this option.